How to share location on WhatsApp 2026. Easy and fast tutorial. First, update WhatsApp to the latest version from the Play Store. Click on the profile of the person you want to send the live location to. Click on the location icon that you see here. GPS is off, turn it on. Click on Share Live Location. You can set a limit here for how long you will share your live location. And if you want to write something in the comments, you can do that too.
If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.